We are halfway through our fall Seed2Seed CSA. It is week 6, guys. We have a lot in the bags this week, so let's go ahead and check it out. We do have probably what will be the last of our watermelon coming in, so everybody will have watermelon this week. We do have our meal starters in the box this week. We have our edible flowers, of course the marigolds. We have our red basil. We have okra, and we also have a couple of peppers this week. They could be jalapenos, habaneros, or there's a purple, like tiny bell pepper, just a smaller pepper. So obviously the bell peppers are not hot, but the habanero and the jalapeno are. So that's what's in your meal starter for this week. We do have a couple of the squash blossoms. I wanted to go ahead and keep kind of getting a few of those out to you guys here and there before it gets too cold, and then those will go away. So those are in the jars. We have mushrooms this week. The oyster mushrooms are back in action. We have 2 greens this week in place of the kale. We have our mustard greens, which you guys have had before. There are some recipes, I believe it was 2 weeks ago for that. And then this week, we're bringing in the Bok Choy. So this is an Asian green. It is mild in flavor. You can actually cook these whole just like this, or you can cut the leaves off if you want to. These go great with pasta or as like a side dish to a meat, but I will be putting some recipes in the description, so the links will be down there for you to look at those. And this week we have our sweet potatoes. So last week, if you remember, you had the sweet potato vines, and then this week you actually get the sweet potatoes. So that entire plant is edible, every part of it. So the process for curing sweet potatoes takes anywhere from like 3 to 5 to 7 days. And so we just keep them in an airtight bag that will hold the humidity and moisture. And what it does is it cures the sweet potatoes. It enriches the sugar starches. And it also makes the skin so that it's tough, because if you first dig a potato, the skin on there, if you've ever done that before, it'll like rub right off. But now these are cured, so these are good to go. So sweet potatoes for you this week. Alright, and we have some big news coming up. I'm super excited to share this with you guys first, because you're CSA holders. You'll probably already have the email. So guys, we have a new spot for our farmers market. You've probably already read it in the email, but it is Bailey Park. So that's in the Innovation Quarter in downtown Winston-Salem. We plan to be starting this at the end of the month, so it's the 29th of October. And it will still be on Tuesdays, and it will still be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. But we're so excited to have this opportunity to have the market back, be supporting small local farmers who are using non-traditional agriculture. And we hope that you guys will come out and support us. We're posting some stuff on social media, just trying to get the word out again of the new location. And we hope that you'll help us do that. If you guys have any questions, you can always email us, leave a comment below, and we'll be updating our website. We do have a farmers market page on our website, and we'll be posting all the bios of our farmers, so you can see their contact information if you want to order something directly from them, or you want to see what they might be bringing to market. You can check out their social media. They'll be posting and doing a lot of the same things we are. So we hope that you guys will come out and see us at the new farmers market at Bailey Park in Winston-Salem. And you guys have a great week.